Well, ahead of the by-polls in Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be on a two-day visit to Ayodhya. Yogi is scheduled to visit the Hanumangadi temple and also Sri Ram Lalla temple. He will later convene a meeting with the officials and public representatives to review development projects and also law enforcement in Ayodhya. Yogi Adityanath will also meet the BJP office bearer and conduct a field inspection of the ongoing developmental work that is going on in Ayodhya. The meeting is very crucial amid alleged infighting in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Meanwhile, there is no end to politics over the minor girl who was allegedly raped by the SP leader Mohit Khan. Meanwhile, the state administration continue its crackdown against Mohit Khan's illegal properties. BJP has been firing, in fact, the minority appeasement charge at the opposition, whereas the opposition claims that no matter what Bharatiya Janata Party does, people do not trust the Saffron Party anymore. Listen in to the war of word that is going on between the Samajwadi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी अयोध्या के मुद्दे पर राजनीति कर रही है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी केवल वोट लेना चाहती है। समाजवादी पार्टी ऐसे मुद्दे पर राजनीति नहीं करना चाहती, लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी उपचुनाव को देखते हुए अयोध्या के मुद्दे पर राजनीति कर रही है। लेकिन जनता वो समझदार है, जनता को पता है कि मुद्दे पे वोट डालना है और जनता मुद्दे पे ही वोट डालेगी।
जनता के साथ समाजवादी पार्टी पूरी तरह से खड़ा है। जो भी आरोपी है, जो भी कल्पित है, उसके खिलाफ कानून में जितनी कड़ी से कड़ी सजा हो, कड़ी से कड़ी सजा हो, सजा दिलाई जाए और जो भी आरोपी हो यहाँ तक उसको फांसी दिलाई जाए।
अयोध्या गैंगरेप के मामले में अखिलेश यादव का बयान बेहद गैर जिम्मेदाराना है। अखिलेश यादव अपने पिता मुलायम सिंह यादव से भी 4 कदम आगे निकल गए। मुलायम सिंह यादव जी कहते थे कि लड़के हैं, लड़कों से गलतियां हो जाती हैं, वो रेप को गलती बताया करते थे, लेकिन अखिलेश यादव तो इस गैंगरेप को आज षड्यंत्र बताने का काम कर रहे हैं। एक 12 साल की मासूम बच्ची जो पिछड़े समाज की है, उसके साथ गैंगरेप हुआ है, आरोपी मुसलमान है, इसलिए समाजवादी पार्टी आज मजहबी तुष्टीकरण का तराना गा रहे हैं और इसे षड्यंत्र बता रहे हैं। घिन आती है अखिलेश यादव आपकी सोच पर।
ये तो सीधा कानून का मामला है। जो भी करना है, सरकार उत्तर प्रदेश की कानून व्यवस्था उसकी जिम्मेदारी, पहले क्षमा याचना करे कि एक बेटी की रक्षा नहीं कर सकी। दूसरा, जो भी अपराधी उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करे। अपराधी की कोई जाति और धर्म नहीं होता। एक आपराधिक घटना है, जो दोषी हो उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो, लेकिन जो दोषी नहीं है उनके खिलाफ जाति और धर्म के आधार पर कार्रवाई नहीं होनी चाहिए।
My colleague Adeep joins me on the phone line. Adeep, Chief Minister is going to visit Ayodhya, and this is quite important in the backdrop. Firstly, the by-polls and also the shocking Ayodhya case. Give us more details.
Well, definitely, Kansha, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be reaching Ayodhya at around 4 p.m. today, and he will be first holding a review meeting with the senior administration of the officials of Ayodhya. And then he will be meeting with some local BJP leaders, and after that he will be paying visit to the Ram temple. So this is a crucial visit of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath after the Ayodhya incident and the Lok Sabha polls. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be taking stock of the development projects that is going on in Ayodhya with the administration officials, and will also be taking feedback from the BJP leaders about the recent Lok Sabha polls and the upcoming by-polls. There's a constituency Milkipur that comes in Ayodhya, which will go into by-polls. So this is a crucial 2-day visit of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in Ayodhya.
Well, also, I know it holds a lot of importance in the backdrop of the shocking Ayodhya case. We heard the reaction from Samajwadi Party. They're asking for DNA test, narco test, etc. What is the plan of action when Yogi Adityanath arrives in Ayodhya?
Well, see, Akansha, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was very vocal about this incident from day one. When he mentioned the incident in UP Assembly, he said that the accused will not be spared. And right after that, he also met the victim's mother at his residence in Lucknow. And now this time, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be visiting himself in Ayodhya and will be taking review of the Ayodhya incident with the senior officials of Ayodhya administration. The Ayodhya administration, regarding the case of the gang rape, they have seized and have put an eviction notice on the properties of Mohit Khan, who is the rape accused. And soon the Ayodhya administration will be further taking action the demolition action on the accused Mohit Khan, the properties of Mohit Khan.
So ahead of the by-polls in Uttar Pradesh, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be in Ayodhya for 2 days. In fact, he will be meeting with the officials and public representatives there. He will also meet with the BJP office bearer and conduct a field inspection of the ongoing development work. This meeting is quite crucial amid the alleged infighting in the state. Now, thanking Adeep for all the inputs. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this, but now shifting our focus from Uttar Pradesh